Pistol Championship Men's Air Pistol Final. Here are your finalists for today. On firing point A, Nathan Bay. On firing point B, Ryan Yee. On firing point C, Bajit Sangera. On firing point D, Bryce Beckman. On firing point E, Remington Smith. On firing point F, Ethan Lee. On firing point G, Hunter Bannon. And last but not least, on firing point H, Mark Shen.
Take your positions.
I'm going to order them to turn around and then tell them to load. Sorry, he's not big enough to block all of you.
What do you try to tell people?
You ready to?
Yep.
6-minute sighting time, start.
No, it's a 6. I got it run, don't worry.
Gentlemen, your monitors are only showing 5 minutes, but I've got time running here, so I will give you a warning.
And here's all the boxes where their shooting gear's at. Backside of the range where they shoot 50 meters with small bore. They're in sighter mode now, so I'm just going to look at the crowd.
Hi, Mom.
Sounds like we got a target problem. We'll let them sort that out. We'll go back to the crowd here. Libby Callahan, she was an Olympic pistol shooter in 92 and 96. She's here coaching now. All these kids just shot in the main match.
Once again to the 2022 Junior Olympic Men's Air
There's
Pistol
Alexa
Final.
Lagan. She's our
For those of you who have
2021 Olympic air pistolist, small sport pistols shooter as well.
we'll be starting off shooting series of 5 shots with a time limit of 250 seconds per series. After the first 3 series of 5 shots, the bottom 2 shooters in the match will be eliminated in 8th place and 7th place position. The remaining shooters will then fire another 5-shot string to determine 5th and 6th place. One more 5-shot string will then be fired to determine the bronze medalist and the 4th place finisher. The remaining 2 shooters, their scores will then be erased again, and they will shoot head-to-head, 1 shot at a time. The top shooter on that particular shot will earn 2 points. If there is a tie, each shooter will earn 1 point. The first to 16 points wins the gold medal. Now, folks, it's awfully quiet here right now, which is just fine for ciders. That's okay. But that isn't going to work for the match. There we go. That's right. This isn't a golf tournament. These shooters, they don't like shooting in a vacuum. The more noise, the better. So make plenty of noise, especially as we get close to the finish line.
No stomping.
And as a reminder, please do not stomp on the floor during your exuberant celebrations, as it may vibrate the floor and disturb the shooters.
One minute. Thirty seconds. Stop, unload. For your first competition series, load. Start.
All right, after our first 5-shot series, Nathan Bay jumps out to an early lead with a 49.8. So almost a point back by Hunter Baddick in second with a 48.9. And Ryan leading at 48.8.
For your next competition series, load. Start.
And just a point of interest, the two guns on the line looks like are only Pardinis or Steyr. That's a Pardini, that's a Pardini, that's a Steyr, that's a Steyr, that's a Steyr, that's a Pardini, that's a Steyr, and Actually, that looks like that might be I think that's a Marini. Nope, nope, that's a Pardini. It's all Pardinis and Stars. Let's go back here and see what the targets are doing.
Stop.
All right, after our second series, Nathan Bay still leads with a group that would make a rifle shooter jealous. That was awesome. He is followed by Ryan Yee, who is currently 2.4 points back. And following him is Hunter Badig, 1.8 points behind Ryan. Going into our first elimination series, Remington Smith and Bryce Beckman are currently sitting on the elimination bubble. They currently have, looks like Remington has 1.3 points to climb to try and stay in this one. Good luck.
For your next competition.
There's
series,
Remington's dad
load.
looking nervous.
Start.
There's Remington. Everybody's done but person on number 3. Nope. I guess he got another one to shoot too.
Stop.
Ladies and gentlemen, please help me congratulate our 8th place finisher, Bryce Beckman. And our 7th place finisher, Bhavjit Sangera. Going into the next series, Nathan Bay still leads with a very commanding lead of 5.1 at the moment. Ryan Yee is in second with a 146.2, followed closely, very closely, by Hunter Baddick sitting in third at a 145.5. On the bubble going into the next round is Mark Shen and Remington Smith.
For your next competition series, load. Start.
There's Hunter's father right there. Grandfather.
So he has to make this switch.
Stop.
Ladies and gentlemen, please help me congratulate our 6th place finisher, Ryan Yee. And our 5th place finisher, Remington Smith.
Remington won a gold medal in, I think it was Guatemala earlier this year at a junior
last
world
series is going to be an
championship.
interesting one, folks.
And Hunter
Nathan
won the
Bay
silver.
still leads with a 199.3, followed by Hunter Battig in second at a 194.6. But the real interesting part is our tie for 3rd place between Ethan Lee and Mark Shen. They have 4.3 points to stay in, but who will stay in? Who will walk away with the bronze? And who is going to go out in 4th place?
You're pretty good at this.
For your next competition series, load. Start.
Yep, always put the gun down if you're not comfortable with the shot. You can always raise it up and try again. Okay, 3rd time gonna be charm here. Yep, there it went. Somebody must have shot a 10.9. Must have been Hunter from the smirk on his face.
Stop.
All right, folks, please help me congratulate our 4th place finisher, Ethan Lee. And your bronze medalist, Mark Shen.
Good shooting.
I saw that side of the lead there, Hunter. He was coming for you. Well, nice shooting to both of our 2 gentlemen who are still in. But what you've done up to this point all gets erased again. We're starting back at 0, going head to head, 1 shot at a time to determine gold and silver. For our audience, you've done an excellent job so far encouraging our athletes. However, I think you can do a little bit better for our last 2 here at the end. If we don't get noise complaints from the athletes shooting downstairs, you're not doing your jobs right. Give us just a moment to change over the computer, and we will continue on to determine gold and silver.
That was Brent McPherson, Director of Operations here at USA Shooting, checking something on the line. This is a new finals format as dictated by the ISSF, or International Sports Shooters Association, which is the governing body for the Olympic shooting sports. And so it's kind of an experiment in learning this new final format.
For your next competition shot, load.
Well, guess we're ready to go. Let's see what Nathan's going to do with this shot.
Start.
With a 9.3 to a 9.1, Hunter Batting jumps onto the board first with 2 points.
Neither one of them shot a great shot, but
Load. Start.
The pressure's really mounting on these two.
Start. Start.
Nathan Bay ties it up at 4 points apiece.
Come on, Hunter.
For your next competition shot, load. Start. Stop.
And with a 10.6 of his own, Hunter Battig again takes the lead.
For your next competition shot, load. Start. Stop.
Well, Nathan's not going to let Hunter run away with this one. With a 10.3, it is a tied ball game again.
For your next competition shot, load. Start. Stop.
Wow. This is going to be a cliffhanger all the way down.
But a 9.2 edges a 9.1, and Hunter Battig again takes the lead.
For your next competition shot, load. Start.
Finding the 10 ring once again, Hunter Battig extends his lead. The score now stands at 10-6.
For your next competition shot, load. Start. Stop.
Man. man.
Oh, that might be a little bit rough, but Nathan Bay with a 7.5 beats Hunter Manning 7.2, taking 2 points on that shot.
For your next competition shot, load. Start.
Oh, there's a better screen back here.
Respectable, and that was another really, really close one. But Hunter Manning's 10.0 is a tenth of a point enough to get those 2 points and extend the lead to 12-8.
For your next competition shot, load. Start. Stop.
And we've closed the gap again. Nathan Bay with a 10.1 is climbing up on Hunter Manning. There's only 2 points separating them now as we come down to the final few shots.
For your next competition shot, load. Start. For your next competition shot, load.
Well, I can tell by the hands raised.
10.8. Hunter Manning takes those 2 points. He is now 1 shot away from possibly winning the gold medal. But is Nathan Bay going to let him have it? We shall see on this next shot.
That's a spirit.
For your next competition shot, load. Start.
I'd say that meant Hunter's the winner.
Ladies and gentlemen, please help me congratulate our second place winner, Nathan Bay. And the 2022 Junior Olympic Pistol Men's Champion in Air Pistol, Hunter Bay.
standing, and I'm like, please don't.
1, 2, 3. Look at me. Smile. Smile bigger.
Ladies and gentlemen, your men's air pistol medalists with the bronze, Mark Shen. With the silver, Nathan Bay. And with the gold, your champion, Hunter Batting. Please stick around and join us for the women's air pistol finals, starting shortly.
Congratulations. Good shooting, both of you. It was fun. That was exciting to watch. Okay, I'm going to do the women's here in a minute. I'm going to say bye for now.